Hey guys, Angela here, and today I'm in my new room. The reason why I'm talking softly is because I don't want the whole house to hear me. But surprise, your girl moved out. If you watched my dollar store video, you'll see that I was cooking in like a new kitchen, still under renovation. So once you see the kitchen today, don't be alarmed. We're still renovating it, and we're still in quarantine. So right now, the whole COVID-19, especially here in America, it's full force. It's like hitting us hard. You know what? One of the things that I miss ever since this whole COVID-19 situation happened is just freely, just close your eyes and think about this. Freely walking through the mall, shopping, hanging out with your girls, and then you smell something around the corner, and nope, it's not Cinnabon, it's those mall pretzels. And you guys look at the case, you see how hot and fresh they are, and you get one and you eat one. So let's get it, let's go, let's make some mall pretzels, shall we?
Attention Scranton Business Park. There will be complimentary pretzels available in the lobby from now until 4 o'clock as a thank you to our loyal tenants.
Once a year, they bring in a little cart and they give away free pretzels. It's really not a big deal. To some people, it is.
You wanna ride on my wave just because it's fun. You wanna be in my space, too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe. Well, that makes two of us. I'm so insane, and you like it. But you haven't seen anything yet. Now you're just beginning your trip to regrets. You might think you know me, but soon you forget. I'm too insane, and you know it. You got to learn to like me again and again, 'cause I will make you love me again and again. Just when you think you love me, you'll think again, 'cause I will make you hate me again and again. I'll say I'm fine when I'm not, just to mess you up. I won't be home when you want, and I won't pick up. You'll spend your time with your watch, counting down the clock. You'll go insane, and I like it. But you haven't seen all of me yet. Now I'm just beginning your work in progress. You might think you know me, but soon you forget. I'm too insane.
Ooh.
Okay, look how good those pretzels came out. I have a little pretzel right here. This is the ranch one. You can see my pretzel shape needs a little work, but ready? How chewy and lightly crisp the outside is. That was great, and it tastes just like the mall pretzels you would get, just smaller and funnier looking. Who cares? It tastes the same. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love shopping and mall pretzels like me, or well, just me. I'll catch you guys to the next video and an update on my living situation next time. Bye!